लेट्स गो अहेड विद क्रिएटिंग फॉर द वर्चुअल मशीन्स जो हम लास्ट वीडियोस में ऑलरेडी देखते हुए आए थे कि वर्चुअल मशीन्स के बारे में. Okay, so you have started with the creating of the virtual machines. Just click on the create button, and this is all about the resources scope. If you can just click on any other one, then it create automatically new. Virtual machines is all about like cloud they so having. Yeah. Yeah, so after all, then you just need to create taking for any of their. Yeah, it means like या तो आप बेयर मेटल चूज करिए या फिर आप विंडोज का भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अभी अपन एज अ उबुंटू सर्वर ही यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर दैट, फॉर क्रिएटिंग द एनी इमेजेस फॉर दैट. And this is very important. I'll see that during the configuration of that, you can just manually configure this as well as, right? Okay, they cost extra for that part. Okay, so this is the main important thing you need to remember this, right? This is like the recommending. You can just click all for complete catalog regarding of that. See, this is the one vCPU. We don't need to too much about that, but we need like any starter plan to learn about these things. Okay, and like to go to the. Yeah, we will go to the this free eligible as of now, because we don't require too much for that. Just go into the select this part, and like this is the that 4 GB and 2 GB is very normal, that you can just use for that any of the project or any of the thing that you want to use in that part. Okay, so yeah, just going to select this, and yeah, all thing is remain same. Just go to the next for the disk part. We don't require too much for that. 30 GB is already given by default, giving from the SSD. But if you want to increase that, you can just they increase their cost accordingly. Okay. And networking, if you want to over any networking or port number specified, we will go into the SSH 22 for that part. And management, monitoring, advanced, we don't need to change anything for that. Review and create. When you come in this, and this showing all the things regarding of that, like how much you need to pay for them. Okay, so this take the VM around 1 rupees per hour, around less than 1 rupees. Okay, so yeah, so this is like we don't require too much for that as of now for the learning purpose. मैंने अभी 1 GB के लिए ही use किया. Okay. Then I just go into the create for that, and this is like the download and generate for the SSH key. Yeah, key and because this is very important key, you don't share anything for that regarding of that. So now this is all about that it creating the virtual machines of that. You can just go to the back and home. You can check. This is the virtual machine that I already created for that. Just overview about that. This is on the Linux, that 1 GB RAM and one PCPUs, and how we can just going to use this in particular in our terminal, and we will going to use the Mobextrum. Mobextrum एक like प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, और यू कैन से लाइक द सॉफ्टवेयर जहाँ पर आप है ना अपना वर्चुअल मशीन्स को यूज दे सकते हो, और लाइक लिनक्स का आपने कभी टर्मिनल चलाया तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेट आप उसका यूज केस कर सकते हो. ओके, मैं वो भी आपको चला के दिखाऊंगा. You know about that Linux. This is not course about that Linux and all. वो आपको आनी चाहिए. Okay, so if you know about that Linux, you can just use that part. That's right. Okay, so इस वीडियो में मैंने ये बताया कि आपको how we can just you to create that part and how you can just access. Next वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि how you can access the network settings and all. Okay, जो नेटवर्क सेटिंग्स के बेसिस पे आप SSH पोर्ट नंबर और उसका पासवर्ड निकाल सकते हो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पासवर्ड. You can just need that, and you can just use with the help of password that. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.